Morning everybody, my name's Carlo from Sils Complete Auto Care Center. What I wanted to take a moment today to talk about is the difference between draining and refilling a fluid on your vehicle and a flush on your vehicle. As car owners, you go into a service facility and they say you need to change your fluid. The challenge is sometimes we use the same terminology for multiple different services. What I wanted to clarify is the difference between draining and filling a fluid versus flushing a fluid. There's a cost difference involved in that. So you may go to a repair facility and the fluid service is $100, $125 versus another facility, you may ask the same question and it's $300 or $400 for that service. They're technically two different procedures. For example, on a transmission, most of us have a transmission in our vehicle. That's how they move. But when we're required to go through and change the transmission fluid, it can be done in a couple different ways. One way is what they call a drain and fill. It's with a special plug underneath the bottom of a transmission that's removed, just like your oil. A portion of the fluid comes out and then the portion of that fluid is replaced. Numerous other parts of the system, the fluid stays trapped in there because they can't get it out. Now, a flush on a transmission system would be the usage of special equipment with cleaners and chemicals, and essentially, like a human body, it's like going through and doing a blood transfusion. Everything comes out, all new fluid goes back in again. This is the same when you're going through and dealing with brake fluid, coolant, power steering. They can be done with removing just a portion or going through and doing a complete system flush. This is a big difference, especially when it comes down to cost and the quality of the way the job gets done. So it's important to know that whenever you need to get your fluids changed on your vehicle, regardless whether it's my facility or any other facility out there, you need to ask, are they going through and draining and filling the fluid, or are they going through and doing a flush on the fluid? The benefit of going through and doing a system flush is you get what you pay for. Everything is being removed from the system and all new fluid is being brought into the system. With all new fluids back in the system, we're essentially protecting all the system components. If we're draining and filling, we are leaving a portion of the old, dirty, contaminated, worn fluid in the vehicle, which contaminates the new fluid that just got put into it. And it also comes down to warranty requirements. If your vehicle isn't in manufacturer's warranty, sometimes they specify how it should be done or the way it should be done. We're in an industry that was built upon speed of the job. We also want to do quality of the job. There's a lot of facilities that don't invest in this type of equipment because it's very expensive. So they'll go through and drain and fill. We also have a generational gap in our industry where just the younger technicians have been trained in the usage of technology, and some of the older technicians are afraid of it and still do it the old way. It doesn't mean that it's right or wrong. Many places still do a drain and fill on various systems, but today's cars are more sophisticated. They require all the fluid to be replaced in the system to protect it for the long term. So it's important to know the difference on the service that you're getting and what you're paying for. Always ask. My name's Carlo from Sils Complete Auto Care Center. If there's anything we can ever help you out with, you give us a call. We'll help you out. Thanks very much. Have a great day.